What's up? It's Makeup Mom. Today I'm bringing you guys this pink glitter cut crease right here. If you want to become part of my makeup fam, then go ahead and subscribe down below and hit that bell next to the subscribe button just so you're notified of when I do upload. I don't know, it'd be pretty dope if you did. Just saying. If you want to see how I created this look right here, then just stay tuned. Keep on watching. So as you guys can see, my face makeup is already on. I have been wearing this makeup for about, I don't know bitch, all day long. So if it looks a little crusty, forgive me, excuse that. I was just like, you know what, my face makeup is already on, might as well just film the eyes and call it a day. What the fuck. Okay, so I'm gonna be going into the Morphe Brushes 35C palette. I don't know if this palette is still online. I haven't seen it for a little while, but it looks like this. Another colorful palette, but obviously like the colors in it are a lot different than fuck. Okay, I'm gonna be taking this pink color right here. So I'm taking that pink eyeshadow and I am going to be blending this in my crease as my transition color. Obviously, if you don't have this palette, any pink eyeshadow will do. Just make sure it's like a light pink color, light enough for you to be able to place it in your crease as a transition color. Now that I have that pink eyeshadow blended on my lid, I'm gonna go ahead and take a darker pink color. Now we're going into the Morphe 35B palette and we're gonna go into this little pink area right here. Take this color. Ignore my crusty nails. If you guys hear baby talk, that's my baby Ezekiel sitting right next to me. Always is while I'm filming. And now taking a Time Los Angeles brush. This is in the number 205. I'm gonna be packing that pink color in the crease. Alright, so now that that pink eyeshadow is blended in the crease, we're gonna take another deep pink color. I zoomed you guys in. I hope that this isn't like too much, you know? Okay, so now I'm gonna be jumping back into my 35C palette and I'm taking this color right here. It's like a muted berry color, I guess. And I'm gonna be going in with a smaller brush. And I know you guys always have questions on the brushes that I use. And you guys, I would literally like tell you guys every single brush that I have. I bought most of these on Amazon or I think even eBay. Most of my brushes don't even have names on them. I bought them like in 2014 when I first started getting into like makeup. And now I'm gonna go ahead and cut my crease. And for that, I'm gonna be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light Sand. And I'm gonna be taking a little Wet n Wild brush that I have. This doesn't have a number on it or anything, but it looks like this. It's a little bit dirty. It's okay. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut my crease. Alright, so this is what it looks like. It might look a little weird right now, but when we add the glitter and the eyeliner, it's all gonna just like pull together and look super cute, so don't worry. Alright, so now that that is on, I'm gonna go ahead and set that, I'm gonna go ahead and set down this concealer with some eyeshadow. And for that, I'm taking just a pink shadow from the palette. So I'm setting that concealer with a pink eyeshadow. And I'm doing pink because I'm going to be using pink glitter. I'm going to be going over my crease again with some pink eyeshadow because when I set that, it kind of washed out all the color. I'm just redefining my crease. I'm taking this berry shade right here. I'm literally just hardly tapping into that color. Any dark berry-ish color that you may have, go ahead and use that. And I'm just going to lightly sweep over the crease. That's gonna give it that extra like definition that we need. So now for glitter, I'm gonna be taking the NYX Glitter Primer, which looks like this. I'm sure you all know what this looks like. It's amazing. And also the NYX Face and Body Glitter. I will definitely have it all linked down below in case you are interested. I am going to be doing a wing with this look, and I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. I'm going to try my hardest to get this whole eyeliner process in the frame. Okay, so now that we have one eye done, I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other eye off camera, and I will be right back. All right, so now that we are all done with the eyes, I'm gonna go ahead and put on some lashes, and I'm gonna be taking these lashes from the company Dodo Lashes. I do have a discount code with them. My discount code is jocelynxsanchez. I will go ahead and leave that down below for you. These are the lashes that I'm going to be wearing today. These are in the style D313, and I use the Duo Lash Glue, the one that comes in this little tube like this. I do usually use the Kiss lash adhesive, but the time that I went to Walmart to go restock on my glue, they were actually out of it. So I was like, whatever, I guess I'll just get this one. And to BH, I like the one that I use a lot better than this one. Just feel like the other one is better. Like, it just secures my lashes a lot more than this one. With this glue, I do find myself having to reapply it, so it kind of sucks. It's always so hard for me to apply lashes because my real lashes are actually like really short and straight, and they never want to curl, so they never want to blend in with my falsies. Do you guys love these or what? Okay, so now that the lashes are on, I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the eyeshadow. So taking this color right here from the Modern Renaissance palette, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight my brow bone really quick. And then for the inner corner highlight, I'm gonna be taking this color right here. I'm just popping that in the inner corners. And then now for the eyes, I'm basically just taking the same pink shadows that I used on the lid. I'm just going to be smoking those out on the lower lash line. So I'm starting off with the pink that I used at first. And then to finish up the look, I'm going to be taking the color Beeper by ColourPop. And that's going to be all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.